throw, throw. He can throw a ball really far. Catch, catch, catch. She can catch a ball. Wash, wash, wash. Mom will wash the dishes after dinner. Glide, glide, glide. Skaters can glide smoothly on the ice. Sprint, sprint, sprint. Let's sprint to the finish line. Tumble, tumble, tumble. The leaves will tumble in the wind. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Ducks waddle when they walk. Wink, wink, wink. The cartoon character likes to wink. Quiver, quiver, quiver. The leaves quiver in the breeze. Scurry, scurry, scurry. People may scurry to find shelter in the rain.